Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to install Google Slides on PC. Google Slides doesn't have a traditional desktop program for Windows, but you can install it as a web app so it opens in its own window like a regular application. So let's install Google Slides on PC using Google Chrome. So open Google Chrome and search for Google Slides, then click the first one. Now, usually at the top where you can see the address bar, you should see an install button in here. Now, if you can't find that, what you can do is click the three dots in the top right, then scroll down and look for Cast, Save, and Share. So from the options that appears, so click Install Page as App. So click that. Then you can rename the app if you want to, then click Install to confirm the action. So once you click Install, Google Slides will now appear in your Start menu and can be pinned to your taskbar for quick access. So as you can see, we have now Google Slides installed as an app on our computer. Now, if you want to pin this to our taskbar, just click this icon on your taskbar, then just click Pin to Taskbar. You can also click the Start menu, then right click on Google Slides and click Pin to Taskbar or uninstall it from here. So this gives you a desktop-like experience while keeping your presentation sync automatically whenever you're back online. You can also click the three dots right here and you can uninstall it from here too. Then you can install Google Slides on Microsoft Edge as well. So if you're using Microsoft Edge, open Microsoft Edge, then search for Google Slides, press enter, then open it. So what you can do here is to click the three dots in the top right, then scroll down and look for more tools. Then from more tools, look for apps. Then you should see install this site as an app. Then click on that, then rename it, then click install to confirm the action. So wait for it to finish, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.